Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable the edge lighting for notifications on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. So here is my Galaxy S25 Ultra, and if you want to enable the edge lighting for notifications on this phone, it is very easy. For that, just go to settings and here go to notifications, and here we have notifications pop-up style. Tap to go inside, and here is edge lighting style. From here you can select your desired edge lighting style. We have a few, and you can choose whatever you like. I will choose for example the first one, and this is how it looks. And also we have here some features. You can change the color. Now it's check auto, but you can change it if you want. You can put on orange or I don't know, violet, or you can choose your favorite from here, and then just tap done, and that's all. Now also you can go to advanced, and from here you can change the transparency like this, also the width and the duration, and then just tap done and exit, and that's all. And now I will lock the screen, and I will send a message on this phone to see how it looks. And this is now my message, and this is the edge lighting, so it looks very nice. I will send again, and this is how it looks. So it's a good feature in my opinion. It looks nice. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.